Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over numbers in JavaScript. Alright, before I begin, please like and comment on the video, and please sub to the channel. Alright, let's get started. So here's the flow for today, right? We're going to go over the fundamental mathematical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then not Python, but Modulo. So something happened there. Alright, so let's get started. So addition. Alright. So addition, it's pretty simple, just adding two numbers. So I'm going to initialize two variables at the top, right? Let a equal 3, let b equal 5, right? And then the way to print is just do console.log. So console.log a plus b, right? Get that semicolon in there. And what do you know? 8 comes up, right? Now let's say one of them is a floating point, right? So 3.0. Let's see what happens. Again, right? So it doesn't really add the precision because it doesn't really add anything. But let's say we do 3.08, then what happens? It does add it. So there's a mentality of adding precision if it has to, right? So there we go. We'll do the same with subtraction. So this will be a minus b, right? Right, so here there is the floating point, but if there's a 3, then it's just -2, right? So that's the whole idea, is that you're adding floating point precision if you have to, all right? I think with multiplication division it's a little different, so let's explore that right now. Okay. And we'll just say multiplication. And this will be a times b. Right, so this will just be whole numbers for now. That'll be 15. Let's say this is 3.5. All right, 17.5. Right. And now let's also do the case where even when you multiply it, it leads to a whole number. So we can say 10.0. Let's see. I'm trying to think of one. 7.0. So yeah, 17, 3, and 70, right? Let's do 10.5. So all right, 17. So yeah, same thing, right? It adds the floating point precision if it has to. Okay, and yeah, pretty much that. So now let's do division. So a prerequisite is that you know the fundamental operations, right? So hopefully you already know that. And yeah, let's do division. So in this case, we're going to check if the floating point adds the precision or not, or if it rounds down. So let's check. So it does do it. So this is not like Java, right, where it just automatically truncates it. This is analogous to like Python, where it keeps that floating point precision if it has to. So make sure when you're doing your if statements in JavaScript that you're flooring or rounding up, and you're not expecting it to give that perfect integer, because JavaScript does not do that. All right, so I think that's good. Then let's just do 10 divided by 7, see what that returns. Yep, so the floating point. And then let's do something like 10 divided by 5. Yep, and then let's do 10 divided by 5.0. This is just to confirm that my previous statements were right. So yeah, okay, so there's a mentality of adding floating point precision only if you have to. All right, now let's end it with the modulo operator. So the modulo operator is just another fancy way of saying the remainder, right? So 5% 3 is 2 because 3 goes in a 5 once and there's a remainder of 2. That's all the modulo operator is, right? So we can say a% b. And this will be 0 because 5 goes in a 10 just twice. Let's say we have 12. Then, 5 goes in a 12 2 times with a remainder of 2. All right, so I think that's it for today. That's all there is to numbers. Very easy, right? And I have more stuff coming soon in JavaScript, so I'll see you then. All right, bye.